Hi, I'm Brittany Buckholtz-Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for July 26th. Last week, the Hubbard House in Perry Pavilion celebrated National Hospitality House Week. Both the Hubbard House and the Perry Pavilion provide a home away from home for the families of our patients who live outside the Orlando area. Some stay for days and others for weeks. Team members and members of the community volunteer at our hospitality houses year-round to help make the families of our patients comfortable during a stressful time.
We have a lot of team members that come from other different departments, and when they come in, when they get together with the family members, they enjoy actually being as a team, and they're seeing each other interact with the guests, so they enjoy that, feeding them and then serving them. That's their plus for them, and the guests actually enjoy that, to see that they humble themselves as well to serve them.
So I started volunteering at the hospitality house about 3 years ago, and I can't say enough good things about them. They were very welcoming when I started here, and I was more than pleased to help out in any way that I could. So I feel like I get as much out of it as they do.
Visit orlandohealth.com for more information on how you can volunteer at the Perry Pavilion or the Hubbard House. Recently, as part of the Aspiring Leader series, several team members took part in a speed mentoring session. Speed mentoring focuses on quick-hit information, time-efficient networking, and the pursuit of gaining valuable information from respected leaders. Participants spent time meeting with the leaders in 15-minute increments for a total of 4 meetings. Participants selected mentors they wished to meet by reviewing mentor bios provided prior to the event.
The executive leaders were very open, and they were very honest and very comfortable with us. They shared a lot of their experiences over the years that they've had.
I think it's something good for inspiring leaders because they're able to see that you don't have to have a straight line path to where you're going. You know, there may be dips in the roads or forks or curves that get you ultimately to a goal of leadership.
We have 3 jobs as leaders. We need to deliver business results because that's why we're here. Without that, none of us are here. And then we need to develop our people, and then we need to develop ourselves. And so I think this is goes a long way into developing our sales part.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest takeaways, and I think with David and the new leadership team, and we're seeing quite a bit of it. Don't be afraid to reach out to people and just ask to, let's do coffee and let me hear your journey and build that relationship. So I think it's huge. Many folks in the organization will do that. Many of the leaders are open to doing that. So shoot that email and build that network.
To sign up for future Aspiring Leaders events, check the Institute for Learning online via Swift. And this month included a promise in action on inclusiveness. If you missed it, make sure to check it out on Swift. And finally, here are the winners of this week's Team Member Engagement Survey drawing. Stay tuned for next week's episode, where we will reveal the next 20 randomly selected team members who have completed the survey to win tickets to an Orlando City soccer game. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. Thank you for making Orlando Health the best hospital possible. See you next week.